Hey guys! Cool here, Colleen, by the way. And now guys, we're gonna play Grail Era. And now guys, I'm in a Grail Era. Yeah, because you know that. So now guys, gonna in this episode, I'm gonna tell you where to find a free object. So it's here. No, just kidding, guys. Just kidding.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Just kidding, guys. Just kidding.
Just kidding your butt.
Yeah. So now,
You're gonna robot.
let's play Grail
Era and Hungry
Era.
Shark.
No, I'm not dead. What the fuck are you after? Hey. Oh yeah.
A tuna.
Now for beginners, guys. I'm just in a computer. I'm stupid. Yes, guys. We're gonna go for a place so that we could, you know, something. Okay. So, in this update in Grail Era, wait a second. Wait. Yeah, I'm trying. I don't know why this guy. Hi. Yeah. Wait a sec, guys. I'm gonna um not that. And then wait. We need some Valentine something. Oh, we don't have. Help out! Alright. So we're gonna kill somebody. I got many friends here, but yeah, sorry about that. So this is the egg auction or something like that. Auction house. So I don't care. So now, what the? uh, Say hi to YouTube. So I got many friends here. No, a little bit. Not him. This is my friend. So my friends here is Simon, Alden, Richards, but just yeah, I don't. No, it's just the username. And I hate this. Oh, you can't kill me because it's protected. Bleh. Hey, you stop it. So this is our hospital. For beginners, you must go to start. Wow, and on it. Ah, yeah, stop. Oh man, I'm just good. So this is so if you want guys to know why it's not an edit, but it is just like that I hate myself. I'm fire, fire. Yeah, I will hit fire. Ooh, what is this? First time that so, if guys, if you want some axe like this axe, it's from FB. So I'm gonna teach you where to find an a Facebook hacks that and Facebook hacks. So in this video, let's go to the Facebook to help you where to find this Facebook hacks. Yeah, of course, Facebook. Because it's in Facebook. Mm. Go to Facebook. Yeah, Facebook shop. Go faster. Go faster. Like I did. Alright, rock and roll to the world. So, see faster, faster, come on, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Ah. So the Facebook X is really there. You must search it on a map. So we're almost there. Yeah, we need to go at that side. Yeah, let's go. Faster, because don't have that time yet. So if you want some furnitures, go here. Then if you want this axe or gun, you need some, you know, you just show it. There. There's the Facebook date now, this year, blah blah. Then for it, you need some Facebook badge. Okay, go to your status. No, not your status, it's your face. You just say, you will have this, and you need also the FB balloon. Okay, so we need there. So you need this. Okay, there. I just shown it up. So there. You could scan back, by the way, if you have that. Yeah. So it's loading. Yeah. Alright. So in here, guys. Wait a sec lang. Again. Hey there, if you upload the subject every Facebook folder, I'll give you the. So you need to go here. You need to pick that, then just look like that. Then I hit myself. Joke. So go there in this room because we have this stupid balloon. Joke. So in here, this guy, you need to, yeah. With it. Hey there, if you invite 50 friends to Facebook and grab the X, you need to go. You just need to go here. Here, in this, invite your friends, blah blah blah. Then just like this, press it. Take a long time, so so there. give you, or you need to invite 500 for the gun. You need 500 friends also in FB if you have. But if you don't have FB, you can't have the gun. Like me, I don't have. Lol. So I just have the X1, the X1. So that, or something. And I got this arrow because my friend told me that, you remember that time I told you about Renee Maamo? I meant, she just told me where to get it. And I have 2 starter gun. I'm so sad. Joke, I'm not a noob, but I know. So in next episode, I'm gonna see you. So good.